In this video, I want to quickly show you how to remove and replace a chain master link. Hi, I'm Francois from adventurebiketroop.com, where we chat about bike riding, maintenance, travel tips and more. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and for any links you can check the description below. In this previous video, I made a DIY chain slider. You can check it up somewhere here, I think. And lying next to the bike, I spotted something funny. See if you can spot it. There's two things. The first thing is there's two master links, and they're about 5 chain links apart. So that means the chain must have snapped somewhere and they placed it with a master link. The other funny thing is that one of the master links are the wrong way around. And if you spot closely, the first one is the right way around. So it's facing to the rear. So as the chain rotates forwards, if it hits something, it's not going to be dislodged. But the other one faces the wrong way around, so with the open end facing forward, so in the direction of the movement of the chain. So if it hits something, it's going to come loose and the whole chain will come apart. So in order to swap this, very simple, just take pliers. You can grab it between the pin closest to the opening edge and the edge itself and just squeeze and it'll pop out. Just be careful because you might lose it or it could hit you in the eye. So putting it back is simple enough. You just swap it around. Place the open end over the first pin. So don't do what I did the first time, is just try to go through both pins. You just place it over the first pin with the open end to the second pin, and then you just take a needle nose pliers or any old pliers and just squeeze and it'll pop right back on. Just make sure that it's tight, and there you go. That's all there is to it. In order to replace the link, you'll have to slacken the chain, otherwise you might not get the 2 pins of the chain link through. So I have to loosen the rear wheel, move the wheel forwards to slacken the chain, and that way you can take the master link out, put the new one in, and then simply pop on the retaining plate. And that's it. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.